What's up guys? Welcome back to my workshop. Today I'm going to do maybe the most complicated work on this tractor, in specific rebuild the rear fenders. Unfortunately the original one are in very bad shape with a lot of rust, bend and a lot of previous welding. But before doing that I'm going to finish to reassemble the gearbox with the two covers and some oil on it. Let the show start.
A few moments later.
Now that the gearbox is closed, I have to start with the fenders, but I received a good news. Finally, the heat gasket are arrived. So, I changed my mind and I focusing on the engine. Here you can see all the new pieces. The cleaned heads, the gaskets, the new injectors that has already been calibrated. Now I can mount everything back and I will start the engine for the first time. After check and adjust the valve lash, I will mount the starter motor and turn the engine without the injectors. In this way I will run the oil pump and spread all the oil around the engine without the compression of the pistons. In this way, when the engine starts, the oil will be already everywhere and I not risk to damage the new engine bearings. And now give some power to the starter motor and looking for the oil. Job done. Moving to the injectors, the oil gauge and the injection pump and prepare everything for the first fire up. Now all is ready with the pump, the filters and the pipes. It's now the moment of truth. Let's see if it starts. I hope I mount back everything in the right way. Diesel don't arrive to injectors. Try to pump a little bit more with the hand pumps and see if something changes. Very good. The tractor starts and the engine sounds really good. The oil pressure is perfect, the most important thing. But right now is arrived the moment to disassemble it and shield the tractor for the sandblasting process. This is a very annoying part, so I prefer stop here the video and see you directly to the next episode where I will rebuild the fenders. Ciao!